Next one are elbow cars, or elbow rotations here. We're gonna focus on one side or unilaterally first, so you only wanna work on one side first. Hand at your side here. With your opposite arm, I want you to make like a gun, and so you're gonna point your index finger and your middle finger, and you want it touching the inside of your elbow here. So what we're gonna do here is we are going to have our palm at our side. We wanna fully open that palm out and facing forward. From there, we want to drive and squeeze that bicep to flex that elbow up as high as you can. Then we're gonna rotate it and pronate forward so that your palm is now facing forward. Then we're gonna drop that down. And then we're gonna reverse it. So now our palm is facing backwards, and we're gonna drive that arm up, squeezing that bicep. We're gonna rotate it so that our palm is now facing up towards the ceiling. And then we're gonna drop back down to our side here. We wanna make sure with this exercise, we're not leaning and that we're fully maximizing that rotation before you try to flex and extend the muscle or the elbow. All right.